We first need to understand when a license file needs to be replaced. A license file needs to be replaced in the following scenarios. Hardware RTU licenses or service licenses need to be added, or the license capacity needs to be expanded. A non-commercial license needs to be replaced with a commercial license before entering the grace period. A fixed-term license needs to be replaced with a commercial license after entering the grace period. A license file needs to be replaced because a component replacement resulted in the ESN being changed. Before replacing a license file, run the license revoke command to revoke it, and then apply for the target license file according to the activation process. After obtaining the license file, check whether the license file matches the device. To check the ESN of the device, run the display license ESN command. Then use the text editor to display the license file. Check that the ESN displayed in the command output is the same as that in the license file to be activated. Because each license file is bound to a device, ensure that you upload each file to the correct device if there are multiple devices. Otherwise, activation of the license file may fail. After completing the check, upload the license file to the device's main control board. For a device with two main control boards, run the copy command to copy the license file to the slave main control board. Run the license verify command to verify the license file. If the verification succeeds, run the license active command to activate the license file. Verification succeeds if Verify License Succeeded is displayed. It may fail if the license fail is invalid or if ESNs, versions, or product types do not match. In this case, you need to apply for a new license file and then activate it. After the license is activated, run the Display License command to check whether the license is running properly and whether the license items meet requirements. If two dashes are displayed in item type, the item is a sales item. The value function indicates a function control service license, and the value resource indicates a resource control license. In description of a resource control license, if port enable RTU is displayed, the license is a hardware RTU license. In description of a resource control license, if port enabled RTU is not displayed, the license is a resource control service license. Typically, you should check whether the license items and the number of resources meet project requirements. If you find any exception, contact the project sales personnel. After confirming that the license items meet requirements, you are advised to delete the original license file.